Welcome to our guide on how to learn coding in 2024. This year, coding has become more accessible and exciting than ever. Let's dive into the world of coding and see how you can get started. First, understand that coding is a skill that anyone can learn. You don't need a special background or a degree in computer science. It's all about having the right mindset and tools. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with coding? Maybe you want to build websites, develop apps, or analyze data. Your goals will guide your learning path. Now, let's talk about choosing the right programming language. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Different languages serve different purposes. For beginners, Python is a great choice. It's versatile and has a straightforward syntax. JavaScript is key for web development. It brings websites to life and is essential for front-end development. If you're into mobile app development, consider learning Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Remember, the language you choose should align with your goals. Once you've picked a language, it's time to gather resources. There's a wealth of learning materials available online. From free tutorials to paid courses, choose what fits your learning style. Interactive platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp are great for hands-on learning. They offer structured courses with practical exercises. For a more academic approach, check out courses from universities on Coursera or edX. They often offer free access to lectures and materials. Books are also a valuable resource. They provide in-depth understanding and can be a great reference. But don't get stuck in tutorial hell. It's easy to keep watching tutorials without actually coding. The best way to learn is by doing. Start working on small projects as soon as possible. They could be as simple as a calculator app or a personal website. These projects will reinforce your learning and give you practical experience. As you progress, join coding communities. Platforms like GitHub or Stack Overflow are not just for experts. They're places where coders at all levels share knowledge and collaborate. Engaging with a community can accelerate your learning. You get to see how others solve problems and can ask for guidance. Don't be afraid to share your code and ask for feedback. It's a crucial part of the learning process. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Mistakes are an essential part of learning to code. They're not failures, they're stepping stones to mastery. When you hit a roadblock, don't give up. Use it as an opportunity to deepen your understanding. Take breaks when needed. Coding requires mental energy and focus. Regular breaks can actually improve your learning efficiency. Keep your learning balanced. Spend time understanding the concepts, not just the syntax. This will help you adapt to different coding challenges. Coding is not just about writing code. It's about solving problems and thinking logically. Practicing problem-solving skills is as important as learning syntax. Sites like LeetCode or HackerRank offer coding challenges that can sharpen your skills. Stay updated with the latest trends in technology. The tech world is constantly evolving. New languages, tools, and frameworks are always emerging. Following tech blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels can keep you informed. Remember, learning to code is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. You're building a valuable skill that opens up endless possibilities. With dedication and practice, you'll be amazed at what you can create. In the next phase of your coding journey, let's focus on practical steps. It's important to establish a consistent learning routine. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for coding. Consistency is key in building and retaining coding skills. Balance between learning new concepts and revisiting old ones. Repetition helps in cementing knowledge and building confidence. Let's talk about building a personal project. It's one of the most effective ways to learn and showcase your skills. Your project can be anything that excites you. It could be a game, a tool, or even automating a mundane task. The idea is to apply what you've learned in a real-world scenario. While working on projects, you'll encounter errors and bugs. Debugging is a crucial skill in coding. It teaches you resilience and improves your problem-solving skills. Don't get frustrated with bugs. Instead, see them as puzzles to be solved. Each bug fixed is a step towards becoming a better coder. Use version control systems like Git. They help you manage your code and track changes. Git is an industry standard and a valuable skill to have. Participate in hackathons or coding competitions. They're fun and immersive ways to apply your skills. You'll also get to network with other coders and learn from them. Now, let's talk about advancing your skills. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore more complex topics. Data structures and algorithms are fundamental for advanced coding. They help you write efficient and scalable code. Understanding these concepts is key, especially for technical interviews. Consider learning about software design patterns. They are proven solutions to common software design problems. Knowing them can make your code more robust and maintainable. Don't limit yourself to one aspect of coding. Explore different fields like web development, data science, or AI. Each field offers unique challenges and opportunities. Learning about databases and server management can also be beneficial. They are integral parts of many coding projects. As you grow, consider contributing to open source projects. It's a great way to gain experience and give back to the community. Open source contributions can also be a valuable addition to your resume. Always remember, the tech industry values skills over degrees. Your portfolio and practical experience often matter more than formal education. Keep building, keep learning, and keep sharing your journey. Coding is not just about technical skills. It's also about creativity, collaboration, and continuous learning. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient coder. Stay curious, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of coding. As we wrap up this guide, let's focus on the mindset for long-term success in coding. Remember, learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with your progress and don't rush the learning process. Stay curious and always be open to learning new things. Technology is ever evolving, and so should your skills. Don't compare your journey with others. Coding is a personal journey, and everyone's path is unique. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Every piece of code you write, every bug you fix, is a step forward. Seek feedback and be open to constructive criticism. It's a valuable way to learn and grow as a coder. Never underestimate the power of a strong support network. Connect with fellow coders, join coding groups, or find a mentor. They can provide guidance, motivation, and a sense of community. Remember to balance coding with other aspects of your life. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial. Coding can be intense, so make sure to find time to relax and recharge. Finally, enjoy the process of creating and learning. Coding is not just a skill, it's a form of expression, a way to bring ideas to life. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also immense satisfaction and fun. I hope this guide has inspired you to start or continue your coding journey in 2024. Remember, the world of coding is vast and full of possibilities. Your journey is yours to shape, and the opportunities are limitless. Thanks for joining me in exploring how to learn coding in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Happy coding, and here's to a journey filled with learning, growth, and amazing creations.